Let's get your Xfinity remote working with your TV. First, ensure your remote has fresh batteries or is fully charged. Point the remote directly at your TV from about 3 to 5 feet away. To program manually, hold down the Setup button until the LED light illuminates. Then enter the code 991, followed by the 5-digit code specific to your TV brand. A common code for Samsung is 10856. Press the power button to test if the programming was successful. If manual code entry doesn't work, try the auto search method. Press Setup, enter 991, and then hold the Channel Up button. Release when the TV turns off. This indicates the remote has found a compatible code. Remember to note the code for future use. For voice remotes, like the XR16V, pairing is done via the Xfinity app. Scan the QR code on the remote, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and follow the app's voice prompts to complete the programming. Now that your remote is programmed, let's test it out. Start by pressing the power button to see if the TV turns on and off. Next, check the volume up and channel buttons to ensure they're functioning correctly. The TV should respond without any significant lag, ideally under 1 second. For advanced testing, if you have a voice remote, press the voice button and say "What's on TV" to bring up the program guide. Test the Bluetooth functionality by pairing the remote with the Xfinity Remote app on your smartphone. If you encounter issues, try resetting the remote by holding down the Setup and Xfinity buttons for 5 seconds. You can also check for firmware updates via the Xfinity app, which can resolve compatibility problems. If problems persist and you have an older TV, consider that compatibility issues are more likely. If the remote still won't program after these steps, it's best to contact Xfinity support for further assistance.